Welcome to UnoQ Byte Season 5 powered by Resonance Energy. With us we have Mr. A.K. Singh, who is MD and CEO of Petronet LNG Limited. Welcome, sir. Sir, the Uno question to you is related to the integrated petrochemical facility you are coming up with for your LNG plant. So what exactly you are foreseeing the benefits which will be there when you integrate the petrochemical with LNG terminal?
So, Petronet LNG Limited is in the process of setting up 750 KTA PDH and 500 KTA PP plant along with ethane and propane handling facility at the Haze. And this facility is being set up adjoining to our existing 17.5 million ton LNG terminal. We are integrating both the facility to utilize the cold energy of LNG, which is presently wasted into the atmosphere. So any petrochemical plants need refrigeration for separation of different products, and this cold energy of LNG will be utilized first time in the country, which will help in substantial saving of capex and opex of petrochemical plant. And we are in the process of execution of these projects, and engineering related to this integrations has already been completed.
Oh, that's great. So I believe PLL is adding another feather on their cap, because they've been known for the pioneering thing, be it coming up with LNG plant and coming up with a integrated petrochemical along with the LNG plant.
And also the existing utility system of LNG plant, where the surplus capacity is available, is also being gainfully utilized in the petrochemical plant, including the firewater system, flare systems, power systems, water systems,
all the infrastructure,
because this plant is being set up just adjoining to the existing plant. So that is also helping in optimizing the capex and opex of petrochemical.
That's great. That's great. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for informative views on integrated.
It's nice.